Welcome. Today we will learn all about the Toolbox Talk function. To get started, simply navigate up to the Settings tab and select Notification. FYI, if you can't see the Notifications tab at the bottom, that just means you don't currently have access to this. But you can contact your company's main administrator to have that access granted to you. So to create a new Toolbox Talk, simply click on Create New Notification, add a notification subject heading, and type in the message. We can also attach a file if we need to. To send the Toolbox Talk notification to a trainee, you can simply click on Individuals and select Toolbox Talk from the notifications type. You now have the option of receiving a notification when the trainee acknowledges the Toolbox Talk in their trainee profile. If switched to Yes, you will receive an email for each trainee that acknowledges the Toolbox Talk. Here you have two choices. You can send it to an individual or a group of individuals. To explain a little further, with a group of individuals, you can select by personnel type and location. I'll just quickly show you an example of a single individual. So, we type in the trainee's name and click Send. When the trainee logs into the portal, they can view the Toolbox Talk by clicking on the notifications icon in their trainee portal. Here they will click the Acknowledge icon to view the notification. Once they have read the message, they will click the Acknowledge button. Okay, once the message has been acknowledged, you will receive an email notifying you of the acknowledgement. You can also view the acknowledgement by going to the Notifications page and clicking on the acknowledgement icon next to your Toolbox Talk notification. Here you can see everyone who has acknowledged the message, stamping the date and time that it was actioned. And that is all for today. Now we have learned how to use the Toolbox Talk. Rapid Induct are proud to be helping 1,000 plus organisations in Australia and globally run their business smoother with simplified safety induction and training processes. Click to subscribe to our channel and visit Rapid Support Centre for more helpful tutorials and guides.